Hi, ProspectoWeather.com meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Tuesday, June 23rd. Another very warm and humid morning here in the Mid-Atlantic region. Looks like we'll have a pretty good shot at showers and thunderstorms late in the day and especially early tonight as a cool frontal system approaches from the northwest. It'll move into the region in the overnight hours, and ahead of it, an enhanced chance of showers and thunderstorms. Any storm that forms late today, early tonight in the I-95 corridor region, D.C., Philadelphia, New York City, and throughout the Mid-Atlantic region can become strong to severe and produce some heavy rainfall. Looks like following the frontal system, there'll be a reduction in the chance of showers and thunderstorms both on Wednesday and Thursday, and high pressure should build into the region for the upcoming weekend and provide probably rain-free conditions on Saturday, but very warm, more humid on Sunday with a chance of late-day showers and thunderstorms. So again, it looks like the best chance of showers and thunderstorms over the next several days may actually be late today and early tonight with the arrival of a cool frontal system. Before we get into the U.S. weather conditions here, let's take a look at the Atlantic. We talked last week about a kind of a massive outbreak of dust originating over the northern part of Africa, the Sahara Desert, and a large plume of dust moving westward in the trade winds. And let's update that this morning. Here's a GO-16 satellite image in what's called the day cloud phase, and I like it for kind of picking out the area with a dusty air mass, and really can be seen right in this region right here. You can kind of see the milky appearance to the overall cloud. This is actually dust coming right off the west coast of Africa, which is right here on the eastern edge of this particular view, and it's extending all the way into the Caribbean Sea. We talked about this in detail. We have a video kind of detailing the whole phenomenon of Sahara desert dust and how it impacts the tropical activity in the Atlantic basin. Let's summarize that by saying it inhibits activity, and it looks like there'll be little, if any, activity in this region over the next few days. This is just a temporary thing, but for now it'll inhibit activity in this region as it continues to slide to the west, and may actually see some dusty air moving into the southern part of the U.S. There is a little tropical system to talk about. They call it a subtropical number 4. It's well north of this dusty area. It's no harm to anybody as a weak system continuing to move to the north and east. But again, that plume of dust has made it all the way across the breeding grounds of the Atlantic into the Caribbean Sea, and it could throw some dust into the Gulf of Mexico region over the next day or two. And one of the byproducts of that potential more colorful sunrises and sunsets, more orange and reds with dust in the air. And that's in addition to the impact on tropical activity, namely in the reduction or the inhibition of tropical storm formation or intensification in that particular region. And here's the official graphic from NOAA's National Hurricane Center based in Miami. And again, nothing going on in this region right here, partly or perhaps completely as a result of that massive plume of dust, which creates some downward motion, inhibits tropical storm formation. There is a subtropical system here that they call subtropical number 4, and it's moving north and east and of no impact to the U.S. mainland. Well, let's kind of focus now on the threat for showers and thunderstorms in the Mid-Atlantic region, the northeast U.S. late today and especially early tonight as a cool frontal system approaches. A little bit of a different setup as we begin the day here on Tuesday with respect to showers and thunderstorms. Over the past several days, there have been numerous showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon and evening hours, generally just developing as the day progresses, after a few hours of daytime heating, the showers and storms developed by the afternoon and expanded in coverage as we went through the afternoon into the evening hours. This morning we're kind of dealing with a little bit different situation here, with already the formation of showers and thunderstorms out across the Ohio Valley. And again, that's associated with a cool frontal system that will approach the East Coast early tonight. And these showers and thunderstorms will basically move from west to east, perhaps intensify and become more widespread in coverage during the afternoon and evening hours. Probably won't arrive in the I-95 corridor region in D.C., Philadelphia, New York City until very late in the afternoon, or more likely in the evening. Again, any of these showers or storms can produce some heavy rainfall late today, early tonight, associated with this cool frontal system. So we'll watch the radar over the next several hours. Basically, that area of rain moving from west to east. And again, following the passage of this cool frontal system, looks like chances for showers and thunderstorms on Wednesday and Thursday in the Mid-Atlantic region will be much reduced. And temperatures will not be quite as warm either. We'll be pushing 90 degrees today for afternoon highs in D.C., Philadelphia, New York City, but more than likely confined to the mid-80s on Wednesday and Thursday following the passage of that cool frontal system. Well, let's now walk through the surface forecast maps from last night's 6Z operational run of the GFS. Basically rain-free starting off the day here on Tuesday in the Mid-Atlantic region. And here's the frontal system. It trails a low-pressure area over the Great Lakes region, already causing some showers and thunderstorms in the Ohio Valley, as we just saw on radar. And that area will kind of expand in coverage over the next few hours, again, with the addition of some daytime heating that destables the atmosphere ahead of that frontal system. By the time we get late in the day, maybe 4 or 5 p.m., showers and thunderstorms may be approaching the I-95 corridor. They may actually hold off until the evening hours. Here's that frontal system in the overnight hours right over the I-95 corridor region. Again, any shower or storm that forms this evening can produce some heavy rainfall. Once that goes by, it'll tend to be a reduction in the chance of showers and thunderstorms here on a Wednesday afternoon and even into Thursday afternoon. Maybe a scattered shower or thunderstorm, but nothing like what we'll experience late today or early tonight. Again, the next couple of days, a reduction in the chance of showers and thunderstorms following the passage of that cool frontal system. Then as we get into the upcoming weekend, this high pressure system sets up shop Friday afternoon over the southeastern part of the nation. On the backside of that high, you have a broad flow of air from the southwest to the Great Lakes region that will be pushing very warm and humid air initially into the Ohio Valley, into the Great Lakes. But by the upcoming weekend, and here we are Saturday morning, that high shifts a little bit east. That warmer air will push to the east, and it looks like Saturday may remain as a rain-free day for the most part of the Mid-Atlantic region, but temperatures will climb to maybe 88, 90 degrees for afternoon highs. And then we probably have a little better chance of showers and thunderstorms late Sunday. In fact, we'll have to watch this. This is kind of an interesting potential setup here for what we call an MCS, kind of a mesoscale convective complex, MCC, over the eastern Great Lakes late in the day on Sunday. It's possible that could slide south and east into the Mid-Atlantic region. So Sunday itself looks like a very warm day, maybe 90 degrees, more humid, and a better chance than Saturday for late day or evening showers and thunderstorms. And again, we'll have to watch for the possibility of kind of a more organized cluster of showers and thunderstorms over the eastern Great Lakes that could propagate eastward or southeastward into the Mid-Atlantic region late Sunday night time frame. But again, for the immediate short-term time frame, we're talking about showers and thunderstorms moving into the I-95 corridor region at the end of today, or more likely during the evening hours into the overnight hours as a cool frontal system arrives in the eastern states. That's it for now. For PerspectiveWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.